Hello and welcome back to my channel. I've got another bullet journal set up for you this week. Here's the kit I'm going to be using. This is the Sabrina kit. I have released it to be able to celebrate the 3rd season of Sabrina being released. It comes out on Friday. There you go. I've actually rejigged my bullet journal kit as well. I think all the other pages are the same. Oh no, this one. These two are slightly different. What I was finding is that I was only able to fit in a really small miniature weekend banner, and actually I prefer the size of a proper weekend banner. So I've kind of rejigged and moved things around. So here's the actual size weekend banner, and I've got the icons down the side here. And then I've got a couple of extra icons down here and an extra full box. So you get the same kind of things. I've just manoeuvred them around. I think you get a few less icons, but you get a lot of icons in the first phase anyway. I also want to apologise if you hear any little people's voices. They are meant to be in bed. They're just not asleep. They're currently singing the songs from Frozen 2, which is currently their favourite thing. So this is last week's spread, or this week's spread, using the Poisoned Apple kit. It is currently Friday, so I haven't yet finished the rest of this weekend, but that'll get done. I really like the colours of this kit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all set up, speed through it and show you the finished results. Okay, so here we are. Here's the final spread, including my to-do list and my meal plan for the week. And then here I've been using this as a bit of a timeline for when I go away, like a countdown. Got the sticker that I created to fill this space, and then have the rest of the week. And there's the bigger weekend banner rather than the old small one. I didn't used to use the old small one, but I quite like the big one there. There we go. And I'll just show you what I have left of the kit. So I have a couple of quarter boxes and some appointment labels, some check boxes, full box, couple of icons, half box, some headers, a couple of quarter boxes and icons, and then I've got my little things, a couple more half boxes, some kind of 3 box checklists, some more checklists there. There we go. So that's my spread for the week, the Sabrina kit. New releases this week. I've got a birthday kit. This is called Bob's Birthday. This will be out on Saturday. Could work for a boy or a girl really. So this is the full boxes of the full kit. Little things, half boxes, check boxes, headers. It's still there. Bottom washi, some more headers and your date covers, and your deco and icons. So that's the full kit, and each sheet is available individually as well, so you can pick those up separately. And this is the mini kit slash bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit that I use in my journal. Here's the full boxes, and then we've got some checklists, some bottom washi and some icons, and then we've got date covers, headers, deco, bottom washi and half boxes, and then we have little things, some more half boxes, checklists and some flags. There we go. That will be available in a hobo kit as well, and that will be up on Saturday. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!